Why did the supplier send these quality?
Yep, that's the nightmare no one talks about. Bulk orders that feel inconsistent. One piece looks great, the next one looks off. And for your event, that's a disaster.
Wait a second. This one feels perfect and this one feels rough. How am I supposed to hand these out at my event?
Here's why it happens. Many suppliers mix fabric from different mills. Dye lots get blended, and sometimes there's only one quick quality check at the very end.
So basically, it's out of my control. That's a huge risk on event day.
And the real cost? Your reputation. Guests notice when merch doesn't match. Sponsors notice too. Instead of building your brand, it chips away at trust.
My event can't afford to look patchy.
That's why at E1, we built a system for consistency. One verified source for every order. Real-time tech-powered fabric inspection, not just human eyes. Quality checks before and during production.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Not just once it's too late. With E1, bulk feels premium every single time, so you can focus on what really matters, running an unforgettable event.
What are you waiting for? Book a demo. Want to know more? Watch our next video.